Getting credits for IMVU have never been easier than before. So, as you can see, I've got the IMVU++ Mode APK special modded version of IMVU, in which I can get a lot of credits in just a couple of seconds. So in this video tutorial, I will show you how to download this awesome IMVU++ Mode APK into any Android or iOS devices. I've got here an iPhone, but it doesn't matter, you can get it for Android as well, and the downloading process is the same as for iOS devices. So stay with me till the end of this video and you will learn all the process to get IMVU++ Mode APK with unlimited credits. So right now I will show you how the mod works, and later I will uninstall it and then I will download it again to show you the whole process of downloading this awesome mod. So as you can see, I've got this modded version of IMVU from this site, tweakvalley.top, and we will go there later. So for now, as you can see, all the packages of credits are free in the store, so I can easily add more credits into my account. So let's add maybe this package, and as you can see, credits increased right now. So let's add maybe this. As you can see, I can get a lot of credits in short time. So later in this video, I will uninstall this modded version and I will download it again to show you the whole process. Maybe we'll add 50,000. Okay, so that is working. 30,000. Okay, so that is how you can get more IMVU credits for free. As you can see, IMVU++ Mode APK tweakvalley.top. So for now, let's uninstall this modded version of IMVU. And to download it again, you need to go to your browser and go to this website, tweakvalley.top. Go to this website and find here IMVU mode. Click on here, select your platform. If you have Android, click Android. I have an iPhone, so I will click iOS, and the process will take a couple of seconds. So now downloading package installer, and later it will install this mode, IMVU mode, on my device, on my iPhone. Installation in progress, and it should be done. Okay, install succeeded, so I can close this Safari browser, and as you can see, I've got the IMVU++ installed again on my device. So thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and bye.